Students, further we can draw the some more details how the HT and LT windings wound on a core material. Each limb. Let us sectional plan of a limb. How to draw it in simple way. If we know this one limb, similarly we can add another limb. We are going to get the single phase. If we add another mode, first limb, second limb, third limb, R phase, Y phase, B phase, we are going to the three limbs transformer. Okay, so let us first see the one simple sectional plan of a limb. So how it is connected. So here you can see it. So we will give the some dimensions. You will give the first diameter of the core you will give. So based on the diameter core, you draw a big circle. Okay, so then here you will give the number of steps. For example, steps 3 is given. We know its formulas. So D is given. So for example, diameter is 24 centimeters. Then you find the L1. What is the L1? L1 is equal 3 steps 0.9D, L2 0.7D, and L3 is given, we are going to 0.42D. So by substituting the D in this case, we are going to L1, L2, L3. So based on the L1, L2, so clearly we know already this is the center point, and this is the first step. L1 based on the length and join this one. Okay, next based on the L2, measure the length here, measure the length here, then join here, and join here. Okay, so this is the second step, and third step, you know so L3. So based on the L3, we are going to try it. So this is the length, and this is the length. We are going to write. Okay. So you know this is the L1 length. This is the L2. This is the L3. Draw the core. Simple core. It's just like a previous case. Now in this case, so you will give them the internal diameter of the LT winding. So we know that this is a core. Okay, so what is of the core? The core, that means transformer. So on which we are going to wound the winding here. Okay, on which we are going to wind the winding here. For example, in case of the shell type. So in shell type, we are going to draw in central limb. Okay, so here is the winding is wound in primary side and winding is on secondary side. Central to avoid the leakage. So this is the primary, this is the secondary. The winding may be in the central limb only, just like I have seen. So I am going to draw this figure here. So here what is happened? So in core material, so on which, so I am going to provide the LT winding. So winding is LT winding on which. Next, some insulation, paper insulation, and on which I am going to place the HT winding. So LT, this is the HT winding, this is the LT winding. Both windings on a central limb. Okay, here, so I am going to see this side plan, then I am going to get it here. So this core material is a 3-step here. So similarly we are going to see here. Okay, so now winding. So how we are going to write the winding? So based on some insulation here and internal diameter of the LT winding, we will give the diameter. So lowers the internal radius of the LT winding. The external diameter of the LT winding you will give. LT winding diameter is external and external, internal is given. So this is the diameter of the winding. Diameter of the winding. We got it, LT. So LT is placed nearby core material. Next, you will give the inner diameter HT coil. Now, so LT and HT. Now, so here I am going to write it the LT coil. This is the LT coil HT. So you give the inner diameter of the HT coil. Based on the dimensions, I can draw the circle with given dimensions. Next, we will give the outer diameter of the coil, HT coil is the outer diameter also we will give. So this is going to get it the outer diameter of the HT coil. So this is LT coil and HT coil. So we are going to get it. This is a HT coil and this is a LT coil. In between this there is a insulation may be provided. This insulation may be paper insulation and varnish insulation, cotton insulation they will provide. At the same time, some cotton pads also included, inserted in between the primary winding and secondary winding to flow through which air or cooling media. Okay, so these are the basic concept, the primary winding and secondary winding. So there is a gap in the, so red color is the LT winding, low tension winding, whether it's primary or secondary, and the HT winding. So in between there is a some material, the insulating material inserted support in between the this one to create the air gap between the and LT winding, HT winding through which oil circulated for cooling purpose. So this is the one sectional plan of the limb. So this limb is for the one phase. Similarly, so we can draw the OR phase. This is OR phase, and you can write the same limb for the similarity. That is the Y phase and B phase. OR phase and Y phase, B phase is the three phase windings. Okay. Tamendra. Now you can see the given figure in your textbook. What is given? Draw the sectional plan of a one limb showing the winding on a core of a oil immersed the three-phase transformer with the following data. Three-phase limb, three limbs. So this is the first one limb. So this is you can use the so for example OR phase, you can take the OR phase. Similarly, Y phase is another one, B phase is another one. Let us say the OR phase limb. So what it has given? The diameter of the core is given. Okay. So here the diameter of the core. Where is the core? So this is internal. From this place to this place, circle is given diameter. Okay. This the diameter of the core is given. So based on the D is given, core D is given. How much is given? 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters is given. Okay. So based on the 24 centimeters and 12 radius, you draw the line. And number of steps 3. So 3-stepped one. So you know the 3-stepped one. This is the first step. L1 you know, and L2 you know. So you are going to get the same. So one is the, and L3 also you are going to get it. This is a very familiar. So you draw the 3-stepped core material. Okay, over. Then the internal diameter of the LT winding, the winding which is near to the core, which let us assume LT winding. What is the dimension? Is 25.4 centimeters is given. Okay, so this is a black one. Color is some insulating material, paper insulation or something cotton insulation is provided core material. Okay, cushioning purpose. Now the internal diameter of the LT winding 25.4 centimeters. From this place to this place, so draw the internal diameter of the LT winding. The external diameter of the LT winding is the 29.8. So from the 29.8, so you are going to draw the external. So this is the LT winding external. Internal is given, external is given. Sometimes we will give the thickness also. So LT winding is over. Next, here is given the out internal diameter of the HT winding. This is the HT, LT is over. This LT, this HT in between the insulation is provided to for the cooling purpose. Okay. So now HT winding is provided. What is the internal diameter? 35.9 from this to this one. So there is the internal diameter is a 39.5. So you are going to draw the one circle. Okay. Now outer diameter of the coil also given. So outer diameter of the coil is given. So from this one, this you draw the another, that is a 40.5 centimeters to draw it. So you are going to get this is a HT winding. Okay. So this is the LT winding. So thickness of the core also same. So this is a limb, whether it's R phase or Y phase or B phase, where the core material surrounded by the LT winding and HT winding. In between there is a air gap to flow the oil or something cooling media. Okay. So this is one winding. So R phase, similarly you draw the you will give the center, the distance between the center core to center core, you draw the another similar core, similar winding limb on side by side, 3 limbs. You are going to get the 3 phase. Okay. So dear students, this is a very easy. So you are going to get it. You have to draw it. Okay. Now